Walking into a dealership just to turn off a seatbelt chime or register a new battery feels like throwing money into a black hole. Your car is capable of so much more than what the factory gave you. There are digital secrets locked away in its computer systems. The main hurdle has always been finding the right hardware. Most people grab the cheapest plastic dongle they can find online. Then they wonder why their connection drops in the middle of a critical software update. That is a recipe for a very expensive headache. If you drive a modern luxury car or a nimble little hatchback from the same manufacturer, you need a bridge that actually speaks the right language. This specialized Bluetooth adapter has become the gold standard for anyone who wants to play digital surgeon with their vehicle. It is not just another generic piece of tech. It was built with specialized coding apps in mind. This means it actually understands the complex architecture of your car, whether you are driving a classic from a decade ago or a brand new performance machine. This little device bridges the gap perfectly. One of the most stressful parts of car coding is the fear of a crash. A bad connection can leave your car in a weird state. This adapter uses upgraded internal components to keep things snappy and stable. People who use it often talk about how fast it connects, compared to the budget versions. It handles the data transfer with a level of confidence that takes the anxiety out of the process. You can dig into the hidden menus to customize your lights, change your dashboard display, or even tweak how your mirrors fold. It is about taking back control. But it goes beyond just making things look cool. You can actually use it for the heavy lifting. Think about battery registration. Most shops charge a fortune just to tell the car it has a new power source. With this tool and the right app, you do it yourself in minutes. You can read fault codes and clear them without a mechanic hovering over your shoulder. It even has a smart sleep mode. This is a massive win for convenience. You can leave it plugged into the port and it won't drain your battery while the car sits overnight. Most cheap adapters will kill your car's power if you forget them. This one just goes to sleep. It waits for you to wake it up. It costs a bit more than the bottom shelf options. But consider the cost of a towed vehicle or a brick control module. The extra investment buys you peace of mind. It is compact enough to live in your glove box forever. You can pull it out at a moment's notice to check a warning light. The community of enthusiasts rarely agrees on anything, but this device is one of the few items that gets a thumbs up across the board. It is reliable. It is fast. It just works. When you are messing with the software of a high-performance vehicle, that simplicity is exactly what you want. No more guessing games with generic hardware. This is the bridge between you and the full potential of your machine. It turns your smartphone into a professional-grade diagnostic suite. That kind of power used to be reserved for people in grease-stained jumpsuits with 5-figure computers. Now it fits in your pocket. It is about true ownership. It is about understanding what is happening under the hood without the middleman. If you were serious about your car, you stopped gambling with cheap parts. You get the tool that was actually designed for the job. It makes the whole experience feel professional and safe. Your car has a lot to say. You just need the right device to listen.